Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Alright everybody, it is yet again that time. We're doing another unboxing today and I'm so excited. We've just had a delivery in the mail and boy oh boy am I excited to open it up. Well, let's head straight into it. Not even going to cut here, unless you just saw. No, probably didn't. Oh, anyway, let's get this open. Whew, very excited to get this one today. Very exciting delivery and something I'm very excited to be receiving. So, let's crack into it. Might just grab the scissors over here so that we can get into this a bit easier. We always appreciate good packaging here, so thanks to the seller. Fantastic. Alright, let's get it going. So just rip into this here. Perfect. Okay guys, very exciting item we're looking at today. One that I'm very happy to have been able to pick up. So we'll just get into the parcel. Very well packaged, so thank you very much. And woohoo! I have to say I've been incredibly excited for this. And it's actually something that I want to talk to you guys a bit more about rather than just showing you. But it is a very exciting piece. So here today, as you guys might be able to see, we are in a box. So not silver. That's right, not silver. So that leaves us with a couple of other options, but, you know, out of those options, of course, it's gold. And today, we're going to be looking at the 2008 Perth Mint Proof Koala. That's right, we're looking at proof coin today, and I'm so excited. This is, well, firstly, the box is in excellent condition, but it is actually my first proper, well, I guess I have other proofs, but this is one that I'm very excited about. My first proof gold coin. Okie dokie. This is the thing I love about proofs, is the amazing presentation boxes they come in. So here we have the box of the proof, and from what I saw, this box, there we go. This box just simply swings around, and woo! Look at that beauty. Oh, it's magnificent. Okay, so here today, live, you're seeing it now, we have the 1/25th of an ounce proof gold koala, and it's a really, really nice piece. And I have to say it, I really like the packaging in particular. So it is a very simple piece. It says 1/25th 4/9 fine gold with the P for the Perth Mint mark. Very big fan of the koalas, and we have the Elizabeth II Australia 2008 $5. So very, very nice piece here. Very, very nice case, and I got this for a very, very good price as well. A $30 premium. So I'm very happy with the premium that I managed to get on this. It's pretty much the same as a premium you'd get on a bullion coin, which is very good considering that it's a proof, and I'm really, really happy with the container. Oh yes, and of course we have the COA, or the Certificate of Authenticity. So I'm always a big fan of these. We get a bit of information about the proofs, and there are no more than 15,000 of these minted. So very, very low mintage on these ones. Very happy about the low mintage. Coin number 7809, so 7,809 of them, and on the back we have troy ounce 1/25th, value 5, or monetary value 5, 4/9 fine gold, weighs 1.244 grams. So a bit more than a gram of gold, actually 1 gram and 1/5 of a gram technically, or nearly 1/4, yeah, 1/4. So roughly 1.25 grams. And it's actually a significant amount of gold going into my stack, you know. So adding this on top of the 1/10 ounce gold piece, so that's another 3.11 grams. So really building up now. We're in the 4 grams, and it's only a matter of time before we start building up enough gold to move up to a 1/4 ounce, which will be really, really exciting. I know many people watching this might have ounces of gold even, if not half ounces and more. So I know that it does seem like a smaller amount, but for me it's a really big difference, and I really appreciate being able to pick up things like this at such a good price, again, on the Silver Stackers forum. I got this within pretty much a day of them sending it, so that was really good for the current Australia Post times, but I'm really happy with this. I'm a big fan of this piece, and a big fan of the case for that matter. So once again, the Proof Koala. So very nice piece here. And on the inside, I didn't actually notice this, we have the Perth Mint, which is very sweet, as in awesome. Absolutely incredible. So I think if you guys want to get a better look at this, I'll put it in the thumbnail. Maybe we'll end the video on this. I'll keep talking, put a picture of this up, and narrate that so you can still hear it, because I really do like you guys getting a better look at these because they are such magnificent pieces. So let's head on right about. Well, some very nice pieces here for sure. Certificate of authenticity coming with it, giving us some information about this wonderful koala. Only 15,000 of these will be released by the Perth Mint, which is quite remarkable. You know, I'm a big fan of having some of those rarer things because these do develop a really good premium. You know, I can't find these selling anywhere a hair under 200. So I'm very grateful that I was able to get it at such a good price. So now we'll swing open the case to give you guys a better look. And whoa. Look at that, everybody. What a magnificent piece. I'm such a big fan of this. You know, we're actually getting a good shot. We can't usually get such good shots on the gold, but I'm hoping that if anybody has never seen gold before, this is definitely giving them the gold bug. This is actually really small, you know, but in comparison to others, it's actually quite big for just over a gram, you know. I would definitely compare this to the 1/20th ounce because it's a very similar size, but a big fan of this. And I do like how in proofs, oh, you won't be able to see it, but there's actually... Maybe it actually goes down a little bit deeper at the bottom so you can pop them out if you want to see them. But really nice piece there. Big, massive fan of this. So another really nice piece to be adding to the gold stack. I think it's time to head off now. Signing off again. Thanks everybody for watching, and that's it for now.